precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about a product review and also wear test. So guys, I have not one but two products here. Yes, I have two liquid lipsticks जो मैंने काफ़ी पहले परचेज की है. एंड गाइज लेट मी टेल यू कि इसकी एक्सपायरी इसी मंथ में होने वाली है, इसलिए आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट यूज देम एंड जल्दी से एक रिव्यू एंड वेयर टेस्ट कर लिया जाए. फर्स्टली लेट मी मेक दिस वेरी क्लियर कि दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो. आई परचेज्ड बोथ ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स विथ माई ओन मनी. कैसे एंड कहाँ से परचेज किया है आई विल डेफिनेटली टेल यू ऑल दिस लेटर. गाइज इफ यू वांट टू नो व्हाट आई फील अबाउट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, प्लीज मेक श्योर you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the underneath red subscribe button. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leo Win, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Guys, the products that I will be reviewing today are these liquid lipsticks. These are from My Glam and these are their lit liquid matte lipsticks. How did I purchase them? उस टाइम पे आई गेस फेसबुक पे एक क्विज चल रही थी, सो आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दैट क्विज एंड यू वुड गेट दीज लिपस्टिक्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. बट गाइज यू वुड हैव टू पे डिलीवरी चार्जेस. आई थिंक 99 या 199 कुछ डिलीवरी चार्जेस थे. इसके MRP है 395 रुपीज एंड ये कुछ इस टाइप की कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स पैकेजिंग में आती है. आई हैव टू शेड्स ऑफ दिस. वन इज 32 हाफ नाइट स्टैंड and the other is 33 OTP. These have a shelf life of 3 years. After opening you get such kind of a bottle. Very nice classy packaging. जो भी shades आप purchase करोगे उसके colors you will be able to see from here itself. And their cap is white in color and कुछ इस तरह का golden band बना हुआ है. And they have बड़ा ही beautiful सा My Glam का logo. एंड शेड का नेम यू कैन सी ऑन द बॉटम ऑफ द बॉटल. मैंने इसे ऑलरेडी अप्लाई कर लिया है एंड मैंने इन दोनों लिपस्टिक्स को अप्लाई किया है. कैसे अप्लाई किया है इसका ट्यूटोरियल विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. प्लीज मेक श्योर यू चेक इट आउट टू. एंड आफ्टर वी ओपन इट यू कैन सी इसका वॉन्ड इतना लंबा है एंड आई डोंट फील कि इतने बड़े वॉन्ड की हेल्प से मैं अच्छे से प्रिसिशन से लिपस्टिक लगा सकती हूँ. दीज are just not my kind of things. I'm just more of a mini liquid lipstick kind of a person because वो मैं fully use भी कर सकती हूँ. And these I have just used this shade 2 to 3 times and this is the 4th time and ये shade I'm just using it for the 2nd time because इसे अप्लाई करके बहुत ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट लगता है, इसलिए I combine these two and I have applied it. Guys, you may notice a difference in lighting because I am about to swatch both of these shades for you guys. इसलिए I have turned off the ring light. It is just the natural light and one tube light which is right here on my right. So firstly, here is the red shade which is 33 OTP. It has a good formula and here comes the next shade that is 32 half night stand. Currently the time is 11 AM. Now let's move ahead with the wear test. Guys, this is how the current application of the lipstick looks. So without any ring light, मैंने ring light को बंद कर दिया है. And guys, it is just the tube light in the room and the natural light. And let me show you completely in natural light. This is how the lipstick is looking. Completely matte and हल्का फुल्का ड्राइंग मुझे ये अभी से फील होना स्टार्ट हो गया है.
Hello my precious people. So this clip was taken around 3 p.m. I had my lunch at around 230ish something, and this is how the current application of the lipstick looks, and also this is how the shades look in direct sunlight.
Hello my precious people, what is up? Please don't mind the way I look. I am feeling a bit sleepy because मैं just अभी बाहर से आ रही हूँ and oh my god the heat, it is so hot here in my city. Anyways, talking about the lipstick, let me show you the time. It is currently 6 and this is how my lipstick looks. It is patchy and it has dried out my lips, and वैसे I had my evening tea at around 5. This is how the lipstick looks presently. Hello my precious people, I just had my evening snack. And guys, let me tell you, I ate samosa and lipstick की हालत कुछ इस तरह है. You can see it has completely wiped off from the center. And guys, let me tell you, if you can see the time is, yes, the time is 9:04 and I just had my evening snack. So yeah, it has completely dried off my lips. Hello my precious people, what is up? Look at the time. Okay, let me show you. The time is 11. Yes, this is the time presently. And guys, I am done with my dinner and this is how the lipstick is looking currently. This is fully faded. Guys, I have kept this lipstick on for 12 hours straight and this is how the lipstick is looking. I am the kind of a girl who is in a habit of applying lip balm, but today I didn't apply any kind of lip balm for 12 hours straight. Yes, and currently my lips are feeling so dry, so chappy. I am just ending this video right here. And talking about what I feel about this lipstick is, you can give it a try if you want to, but make sure your lips are very well hydrated and very well prepped. Obviously लिपस्टिक को 12 आवर्स तक कोई नहीं रखता है. It was just for the review and wear test that I kept the lipstick for 12 hours. Formula is quite good, but guys, it is so much drying on the lips. Let me make it very clear. And also अगर आप एक कोट से ज़्यादा लिप्स पे लगाओगे तो ये पैची हो जाएगी. Then it would come off your lips. So yeah, that was the review. I'm ending this video right here. If you like such kind of videos, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link will be in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me, Bin, signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.